In the 63 years that INF has been serving Nepali people, we have never seen an event as destructive as the recent earthquake. In these dark hours, the strength of Nepali people has been tested. The courage and spirit of these people has been broadcast across the world. The events of these past weeks have only served to increase INF's commitment to the nation and people we serve. We have developed a response plan that covers relief, rehabilitation, and resilience. Our relief effort is already well underway. Our years of experience and connections in Nepal have allowed us to respond quickly and generously. We have so far distributed relief materials, both food and non-food items, to 3,000 families, especially in Dading and Gorkha. Rehabilitation is the second important phase of our plan. Our Green Pasture Hospital and Rehabilitation Center in Pokhara has already begun treating patients, and we will set up an earthquake relief fund to help for those people who cannot afford. And also they will get good treatment and care with no cost or very low cost. The third stage is strengthening disaster resilience. INF is committed to Nepal for the long term. We want to prepare communities for future disasters. We will work alongside 5 of the poorest districts in Nepal to increase their disaster resilience. It will be a long journey to rebuild the lives that have been shattered by this disaster. It will take courage and perseverance. INF is committed to working with Nepal every step of the way. In this point of time, I would like to express my gratitude and thanks to all our supporters here in Nepal, also from overseas. In this hard time, we thank you for your generosity and for your prayers and for your support. Thank you.